Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You're new to the page. Go ahead, take your finger right now, hit that like, hit that red button, subscribe, and that bell. All right, those three go in sync. All right. Hey, I just want to discuss a few things. I'm going to discuss why I did not sell NIO, and I didn't sell one crypto. I'm going to discuss that in this video. I'm gonna get right to it. Okay, so the market was kind of a little crazy. Futures was up, and pre-market, just 30 minutes before the opening bell, the Dow was up 300 points, and then it gave it all up. The NASDAQ, everything else was flat, and NASDAQ took a spank in the day. So if you're into those stock, we're praying for you. So let's just talk about NIO. Let's start with NIO. So I didn't sell NIO. If you haven't been following the page for a while, just know that I made a NIO play. It was a swing play. I have to say this. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell stock, crypto, or anything, right? I'm just Larry on YouTube telling you what I'm doing. So I got into NIO for a swing play. Meaning it was a buy the rumor, sell the news. NIO day is on the 18th, and I was supposed to be selling it, okay? I was supposed to be selling my NIO. Truth is, good people, I got caught, right? It didn't happen. The run-up didn't happen as quick as I thought. So now, what do, Larry? So I thought, like in the past, it always ran up to NIO day, and you pop it. But all of this unexpected bad news came, the whole delisting threat from the US this time, and then China, okay? And so all of this happened after I got I bought the NIO for the swing play. And then, the rising Omicron cases and all of this stuff is just weighing on those type of stock, and those small cap stock are the ones that have been getting beat down. So it is what it is. I can't control all of those variables. That's what happens when you're in the stock market. You got to be ready to move at a minute's notice. And so now here I am, stock. To be honest with you guys, I'm down 5 G's with my NIO stock. And this was a short swing play. I was going to get in and get out. I've done it so many times. And this is one of the things about the stock market. You're not going to hit a home run every time. If you think you're going to do that in the stock market, you are sadly mistaken. No one does. So, Larry, are you upset now? Because I have way more than 5 G's in it. I'm down 5 G's. So what do, Larry? I'm going to hold. And I believe that I'm going to make all of my money back and profit. So this is when a swing play for me turns into a long-term investment, a hold. Now, I don't like the fact that I have to hold NIO because of China, the Chinese government. But so be it. Now I have to have high blood pressure every time I hear China talking about these Chinese companies and delisting and all of that. Now I'm going to have high blood pressure. So y'all pray for me. But seriously, good people, this is what let's take a look at it. At first, you know what? Let's look at NIO, right? And so let's go a month out. And as you can see, NIO has just been a falling knife. It's just been tanking. Just when we think we're at the bottom, we're not. It has done stuff like this before, where it's went down and come up. You see here, down, up, then it tanked, came back up to where it was the previous high, and then it came all the way down here to $33, ran all the way back up to 43, and now it has tanked. I think a lot of people are just getting tired of the Chinese stock, like myself, all right? I'm just tired of Chinese stock, tired of the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I got into this thinking I can come in, grab some quick money, and come out. But didn't happen, right? So we don't know what's going to happen with NIO. Let me see. Let me see what TipRanks is suggesting going to happen with NIO if nothing happens, right? And I know there's a lot of people, a lot of companies saying things. So look at this. All right, so this is TipRanks. I got a link below. You can deposit it, download the link. I have the ultimate. And what this is I think that this is a great tool for all of you to have because it gives the Wall Street analysts what they project the stock could be over the next 12 months. Okay, so they say $72. Okay, so here we are with NIO right now at $30. They say within the next 12 months it could be $72. Look at that, 140%. As a matter of fact, the high is at 87%. So what I'm telling you guys is now I'm stuck, right? And this is, you know me, I just keep it honest. I keep it brutally honest. Do I think that it's going to get to $72? I do. I think NIO could be, because of the mood swings it's been going through, I believe NIO could get to $60 within the first quarter of next year. That's how quick I believe it'll be double from where it is now. Literally, all it takes for NIO is like 45 days to hit 60. All right, and so don't cry for me, Argentina. I'm good, right? But I just still don't like holding it anymore because it's a Chinese company. Do you think it's going to get delisted, Larry? No, I do not. I forestated that. But just because I don't think it will, don't mean that it won't. So you have to do what you need to do. But I'm just showing you guys why I decided to hold. Because here I am trying to hold this to do a swing play, and I get caught holding the bag. The unwise thing for me to do as a investor, a wise investor, the unwise thing for me to do is to panic sell and just cash out and take a 5G loss. I'm not doing that, not even for tax purposes right now, knowing that I can make 100%. I'd rather pay taxes on 100% rather than take this loss. All right. I'll do my tax losses somewhere else. So that's where we are with NIO, good people. That's where I am with NIO. I know a lot of you guys are wondering, hey, what happened with NIO? Here's where I am. I'm holding it. And to be honest with you, I'm putting it back into, here I am forced to put it back into my EV portfolio. So now, you know, it's like I broke up with the chick that used to steal my money, you know, used to cheat on me and all of this. And now here we are back together again. All right. So, all right, good people, let's keep it going. Hey, look at this. NIO right now is like I said yesterday, I was changing my play on NIO. I said I'm buying NIO now whenever it goes under $900. I mean, it got as low as $918, and tomorrow it could be in the eights. And I'm going to look at starting to buy some Tesla. Now remember, my Tesla plays are long term. This is not NIO. NIO, if I get 100%, if I get to 70, if I get to 70, 68-ish, I get 100%, I'm popping it, selling it all, deuces, I'm done. I might roll that money over into Lucid Motors and see where Lucid is at that time. Though I think Lucid are going to have some more share offerings because they have to raise money, they have to raise more capital because they have a lot of build out to do. Right? I was at Lucid Sunday. I love that car. It's going to be a long-term hold for me. And I believe that they're just in the earlier stages. But as far as Tesla is concerned, I'm still suggesting, I made an error yesterday, that Tesla, one share of Tesla, pre-split of course, will be worth about $3,000 by the end of 2025. That's what I think. Okay. So let's just, what else I wanted to show you guys? Stock market, we got that. All right, let's look at Tesla. So the top analysts think that Tesla is going to be about $1,100 in the next 12 months. I think they will be at the high. So one of them say that it's going to be at around 1580 for the high. All right. But even at $1,104, that's a 19%. 1580 is much higher, of course. And so that's what I want to show you on these EVs. And I'm good with all of them because remember, long-term hold, people. If you want to create generational wealth, you must be able and willing to hold a stock or a crypto, or real estate for at least a generation. And I'm good with that. I'm good with investing because, we doing these swing plays and we doing these day trades. But if you're not investing, you're missing it. And this is just what I'm going to continue to suggest to you guys. Especially if you're new, especially if you just got into crypto for Shiba Inu, I'm telling you, buy some Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum, buy some Solana if you're just holding these high speculative coins. Same thing with the stock market. You should be in the Teslas, in the Microsofts, and now the Facebooks. And you should be in the Apples. You should be in these especially companies that are into AI, artificial intelligence. That is going to be the future. That's what I was suggesting to you. And let's just touch up on crypto right now. Crypto is doing what it's doing. Let's look at crypto right quick and see where it is today, right? Crypto has been just not good. Crypto has been tough. The overall market, you name the crypto, it's just been tough. I'm telling you what I feel. These are not facts, but I'm just going to look you in the eye and tell you what I feel. I feel like and I showed you a past of how, there's new highs every cycle. I believe that the past cycles are now breaking. And I believe that all crypto is forming a new cycle. I do. And I just think that I believe that the lows of this low are probably the lows. And I believe we're set up for a new spike, a new higher high. I do. I think that this is a buying season. I just think that it's a prolonged buying season. And that's what I think about the overall crypto market. And I have my money where my mouth is. I haven't sold a thing. I've added 2 positions, but I haven't sold a thing. But what I'm going to say to you guys, if you're into crypto and you have no Bitcoin, you're going to remember these days because Bitcoin, you might as well have the top dog. That's why I have Tesla in my EVs. I got Lucid Motors now. I have NIO. Okay. What else do I have? I have these charging stations. I have Ford and GM. Every single day, I buy a share of GM and I buy about 3 to 5 shares of Ford every trading day. And I'm going to continue that as long as I can because they have gotten billions and billions of dollars earmarked towards electrification, and they're going after it aggressively. Right. I want to remind you that Webull still has where you can download a 1 penny and get 5 stock. 1 penny and get 5 stock, and you got to deposit the penny, but you might as well just fund it whatever you have. Buy a share or whatever. Yeah, buy a $5 stock if you don't have anything. And you're going to get more in that in free stock. As a matter of fact, they're going to give you free stock worth up to $8,300. So you're a winner by just clicking the link and downloading it. Make sure you do it from my link. It does help the page out, but you're going to get some free stuff. All right, good people. And then check out all the links below. All right, good people. I love each and every one of you guys. As always, live, love, laugh, and learn.